Hey guys, this is Shashank Negi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a cinematic product video and it's going to cost you nothing. Let's begin.
You can hand out. We be faster than Django.
I had a box at home that I used for this look, which was black from all sides, or you can get a box and paint it all black as well. Bought this red light, which is actually for a cycle seat backlight. It cost me only $1. Next I use a torchlight, which is a blue plastic color sheet which you can get easily from any stationery store. To create a smoke effect, I use an e-cigarette. If you don't want to spend on e-cigarette, another option is to use incense stick. Anything which can create smoke will be fine. So right now I'm using Premiere Pro CC. This is a light leak that I used. You can use these effects to make it more beautiful. You can drag and drop. And just use a screen. Pass it a little bit low. Second is the glitch effect. This is just a video which is downloaded from YouTube. I just drag and drop in the Premiere timeline. Scale it a little bit. And in the blending mode, I just make it multiply. And just decrease some opacity. Okay, it should be fine. Now these are the sound effects that can be used for the glitch. It just enhances the effect. Thanks guys for watching the video. Hope you like it. All the material I have used in this video I have saved in the information box. You can download it from there for free. I'll be making these kind of videos a lot in the future. So please show your love, support and subscribe to this channel, Shashank Negi Films. I'm going out. Bye bye. Peace out. Bye bye. जल्दी कहना काट लेना यार